So I have no idea what it looks like inside, but we're going to find out together. So when I open it up, it looks like this. And they really do look like flowers. I mean, they really do look like really flowers. So that's kind of cool. So I'm just going to pull one out, and I apologize for the noise. But I really did want to unbox this with you guys together. So this is the first one. So let's just go ahead and pull it out. I just don't want to wreck anything. Inside of here, they have, let me just show you guys. They've got some, these are like plastic inside, all right? And then on the bottom, there is the solar part of this. All right, so this would go, I'm assuming this would go in the ground, and then this solar piece would be there. Let me see if there's other pieces. Okay, so I found the bottom part because I was like, okay, that was weird. That's not long enough. So here is the long part. So let me see how this, yes. Okay, so this goes in like this. So there's your flower, there's your pole. You can put this in the ground, okay? And that just kind of screws in there. So I usually put my end in first, and then I use like a block of wood or rubber mallet or something just so it doesn't get bent. And then I usually put my flower on top of that. And then the solar part is here. Let's just see what colors we got. So we got this pretty red color. I can't wait to see how these look. I really can't. And then we got 2 of these purple colors. I know these make a lot of noise, so I apologize for that. I really love these. I can't wait to show you these at night. So I will be doing that, and then we'll be closing out the video after that. These are the lights. You can see how bright and pretty they are. Very, very, very pretty.